welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're going to be doing a revisit of pork adobo. Now I know I've done it before on my channel, but yeah, this is a different version, just a little bit different and a different way of cooking it as well. So the ingredients we're going to have for today is a tablespoon of sugar, a few bay leaves, a few cloves of chopped garlic, some chopped up red peppers from the garden, some black peppercorn. Now you can put the whole peppercorn in, but I like to crush it. We have half a cup of soy sauce, quarter of a cup of black soy sauce, almost half a cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and of course you have your salt and pepper and your olive oil to cook it. And last but not least, your pork belly, and you just chop it up into little squares, as I will show you right now. So first things first, let's get the fire going. A little bit of olive oil. Let that get hot. Now put in your chopped garlic. Now you can add your chopped pork belly. And you brown your pork belly a little bit. Real quickly, you have your oyster sauce and your vinegar. And to get all the oyster sauce out, just mix it with your vinegar. Now get your soy sauce and your black soy sauce and mix them in as well. Alright, looking good. Okay, once that starts boiling, you can add your teaspoon of sugar or tablespoon, your bay leaves, your red chili, your peppercorn, a bit of pepper, and a bit of salt. And mind you, the heat's been on full the whole time. And give it a nice stir. Make sure it goes everywhere. Okay, so at this stage, just add just a little bit of water. Not too much. Still on high heat, just cover it and let it come to the boil, and then turn your fire down. Okay, once that's come to the boil, turn your heat right down, give it a stir. That's one thing about this food, you always have to stir it, and the smell at the moment is incredible. Very nice smells, if I may say so myself. Lid on and check it every 10 to 15 minutes with a bit of a stir. Now the pork adobo is ready. Beautiful. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it, and like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.